More than ever before, the world is facing rapid change. The new century brings new realities, new ideologies, new demographics, new problems. By the time you finish watching this, there will be 4,560 more people on the planet, all demanding more innovative products at lower prices, all demanding a safer and cleaner environment, all demanding clockwork transportation systems rivaling the precision of the best Swiss watch, all demanding it not tomorrow but today.
As if this wasn't enough, today's facilities, operations and manufacturers are coping with ever-increasing global competition, market volatility and economic uncertainty.
One thing is for sure, the ever-changing constants bring unprecedented complexity to enterprise information.
Is technology changing humans or are humans changing technology? We like to think of Iconics as technology with a human face.
Iconics has been turning your data into helpful information for over 25 years, helping you make quick and informed decisions in real time.
We're a real-time visualization company. That's what we do. We help you to visualize the overwhelming data within your organization, allowing the right person to make the right decision.
We're living in a time of change. Reduced decision time, increased accuracy, increased efficiency, increased visibility.
And the ability to respond quickly all help you to control change.
To adapt, survive and thrive.
Things would be quite different from the industry that you know today.
We thought it was all about the product, but in reality it was all about the people.
The 21st century is all about people. People like us. People